Samsung hasn't just leaked a new phone. They've leaked the end of the foldable era as we know it. This is the Galaxy Z Roll 5G, and it is quite literally the most ambitious piece of consumer technology ever engineered. Before we dive into the specs that seem like they were pulled straight out of a sci-fi movie, you have to understand why this matters. The smartphone market has been stagnant. Every year, it's a slightly better camera and a slightly faster chip. But the Z Roll isn't an iteration. It's a total reimagining of what a handheld device can be. We are talking about a device that sits in your hand as a standard, compact smartphone, but with a single tap, the motorized internal gears whisper into life and the screen expands. No hinge, no crease, no compromise, just a continuous, flowing sheet of pixels that transforms a phone into a cinematic tablet in seconds. The engineering required to pull this off is mind-bending. Industry insiders are pointing toward a proprietary elastic AMOLED tech. Unlike the Z Fold series, which uses a glass that has to survive a sharp bend, the Z Roll uses a multi-layered resin polymer that rolls around an internal motorized spindle. Think about the precision required there. We're talking about tolerances measured in microns. If even a speck of dust gets into that rolling mechanism, the dream is over. But Samsung's new Sentinel Shield technology is rumored to be the answer. A self-cleaning brush system that sweeps the display every single time it retracts. Let's talk about the display itself, because this is where the Z Roll 5G separates the enthusiast from the casual users. Reports indicate a peak brightness of 3,000 nits. That is blindingly bright. Whether you're under the harsh midday sun in Vegas or in a dark room, the contrast ratios here are designed to mimic real-life vision. And because there is no hinge, the structural integrity of the display is actually higher than current foldables. You're getting a 120Hz LTPO panel that can drop down to a single hertz to save battery, making the transition from a 6.7-inch phone to a 12.4-inch workstation feel completely seamless. But a screen this big needs power, and this is where the rumors get wild. We're looking at a dual-cell silicon-carbon battery architecture. This isn't your standard lithium-ion. This tech allows for higher energy density in a thinner profile, which is exactly how Samsung is keeping this device from feeling like a brick in your pocket. Combined with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, the efficiency gains are supposedly off the charts. We're hearing whispers of 2-day battery life, even with heavy, expanded mode usage. And for the creators, the camera system is the final nail in the coffin for the competition. A 324-megapixel main sensor. Just let that sink in for a moment. This isn't just about big numbers for marketing. It's about the ability to crop into a photo and still have more detail than a professional DSLR. Combined with a periscope zoom that can hit 100x with AI stabilization that makes it feel like you're using a tripod, the Z Roll is positioned to be the only camera you ever need to carry. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about the price? What about the durability? This is where the conversation gets real. A device this complex isn't for everyone. It's for the person who wants to see the future before it becomes the norm. It's for the person who is tired of carrying a laptop, a tablet, and a phone. The Galaxy Z Roll 5G is the first true all-in-one device. It is a statement. It's Samsung saying to the world that the Ultra brand was just the beginning. As we look at the leaked renders and the patent filings that have finally been confirmed, one thing is clear. The slab phone is dying. The era of static hardware is over. We are entering the age of fluid hardware. Hardware that adapts to your needs, rather than making you adapt to its size. The Z Roll 5G isn't just a product launch. It's the opening chapter of the next decade of human communication. The question isn't whether you need a rolling phone. The question is, once you've seen the screen expand without a single seam, how could you ever go back to anything else? Stay tuned, because this is developing fast, and the official unveiling is going to change everything. The future isn't folding anymore. It's rolling. The smartphone industry has reached a plateau of glass slabs and incremental camera updates. While foldable Devi, CES like the Galaxy Z Fold series have successfully carved out a niche for power users, they have long been haunted by two primary engineering compromises: the visible display crease and the bulky, sandwich thickness of a hinge device. Samsung's rumored Galaxy Z Roll 5G, whispered to debut in late 2026, is not merely an evolution of the foldable. It is a total structural reimagining of mobile computing. By replacing the hinge with a motorized scrolling mechanism, Samsung is attempting to merge the portability of a standard smartphone with the expansive canvas of a 12.4-inch workstation. The heart of the Galaxy Z Roll 5G lies a 12.4-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel that does not fold but glides. Unlike traditional foldables that stress the screen at a sharp 180-degree angle, the Z Roll utilizes a motorized rack and pinion system. The flexible OLED substrate wraps around a small-diameter internal roller hidden within the chassis. When activated, the motor smoothly unfurls the display, supported by a reinforced internal lattice that ensures the screen remains rigid and flat when fully extended. This approach solves the crease problem that has plagued foldables since their inception. Because the screen is never subjected to a hard fold, the visual continuity is flawless. Furthermore, the motorized system allows for adaptive aspect ratios. Imagine a device that rolls out slightly to a 21:9 ratio for a cinematic movie experience, but extends fully to a 4:3 or 16:10 ratio for intense multitasking or spreadsheet management. This fluidity represents a new era of shape-the-display technology is expected to be a masterclass in optics. Rumors suggest a peak brightness of 3000 nits, a necessity for a device marketed as a pro tablet replacement that will inevitably be used in high-glare outdoor environments. Utilizing an LTPO 4.0 backplane, the refresh rate will dynamically scale from 1 Hz to 144 Hz, ensuring that high-octane gaming feels fluid while static text remains energy efficient. One of the more intriguing leaks involves an integrated privacy layer. As the screen expands to a massive 12.4 inches, privacy becomes a concern in public spaces. Samsung is reportedly testing a micro-louver optical layer that can be electronically toggled. When active, it narrows the viewing angles so that the person sitting next to you on a plane sees only a black screen, while you enjoy a full-color private workstation. Performance. The 2nm Elite architecture. To drive such a massive display and manage the power requirements of the motorized rollers, Samsung is expected to employ the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro. Built on an advanced 2nm process, this chipset is designed for extreme thermal efficiency. This is critical because the Z Roll's internal space is occupied by the rolling mechanism and a large battery, leaving less room for traditional cooling vapor chambers. The device is rumored to ship with 16 GB of LPDDR6 RAM, a move necessitated by Samsung's push for standalone DeX. In previous generations, DeX required an external monitor to provide a desktop-like experience. With the Z Roll, the 12.4-inch screen is large enough to run a native desktop environment directly on the device. This turns the phone into a legitimate laptop replacement, capable of running professional-grade video editors and CAD software without breaking a sweat. Samsung is not letting the innovative form factor distract from its photography heritage. The Z Roll is rumored to debut the 324MP ISO HR1 sensor. This sensor uses high-level pixel binning to combine 16 pixels into one super pixel, allowing for incredible detail in daylight and massive light intake in near-total darkness. For professionals, this means the ability to record 8K video at 60 frames per second with virtually no crop, and the 50MP periscope lens offers 10x true optical zoom. When the screen is fully unrolled, the camera UI is expected to take advantage of the extra real estate, providing a director's view that shows the live feed alongside a full-screen editing timeline or previous shots for instant comparison. That a common concern with rollable technology is the fragility of the moving parts. To combat this, Samsung is utilizing grade 5 titanium for the chassis, providing a high strength-to-weight ratio. While the motorized tracks are susceptible to debris, leaks suggest that Samsung has developed a sweep mechanism, tiny internal brushes that clean the display as it retracts, similar to the technology used in the hinges of early fold devices. The S Pen also sees a significant upgrade. To match the premium nature of the Z Roll, the stylus will feature a record-low 2.1 milliseconds latency. Writing on a 12.4-inch rollable surface, which lacks the structural gap of a folding hinge, will provide the most paper-like digital writing experience to date. Conclusion: redefining the smartphone. The Galaxy Z Roll 5G is more than a luxury toy. It is an answer to the question of what comes after the smartphone. By offering a device that can function as a discrete phone for quick messages and a full-size tablet for deep work, Samsung is effectively consolidating three devices: phone, tablet, and laptop into one pocketable frame. While the rumored $2,799 price tag will keep it out of the hands of the average consumer at launch, the Z Roll serves as a halo product that proves Samsung's dominance in display innovation. As we look toward late 2026, the Z Roll stands as a testament to the idea that the future of technology isn't just about faster,